Yes, I know it's been quiet, but there are a number of things in the upcoming outlook that you're going to want to know about. First, we're going to take you out to Avila Beach and show you some of that cloud cover, that high cloud spray that's moving into the area right now. Looking pretty nice, though, out on the camera. So quickly into the holiday forecast for the coastal valleys, mid-60s. More cloud cover, I think, on Christmas Eve than Christmas Day. South Coast, same story here. You're looking at middle to upper 60s, and the interior a little bit cooler with lower 60s in the offing. So I think the travel weather is okay, definitely heading into Christmas. The question is heading out. We're going to tackle that coming up. 51 Cuyama, 49 for us in California Valley, 48 Shandon, 59 San Luis, 52 Santa Maria, Santa Ynez, 57 in Santa Barbara, 54 for us in Lompoc, and right now the winds are onshore about 5 to 15 miles per hour. Daytime highs today, as expected, with the onshore flow took a big hit. Do you remember yesterday? Upper 70s and low 80s, and look at these numbers, in the low to mid 60s for daytime highs. Santa Maria just 63 degrees. So the direction of the air makes a big difference. Keep that in mind. I want you to note this. This is not for today. This is for later Wednesday into Thursday. Want you to look at how dry the air gets here. These are the dew points. So if you could instantly cool the atmosphere to these numbers, that's where condensation happens. So at the coast, you're looking at 30s. In the interior valleys, you're looking at single digits. But as we get into later Wednesday and early Thursday, it's sub-zero dew points, extremely dry air, plus we are going to see some pace to the wind. At the higher elevations, we could see some wind gusts, 15, 25, 30 miles per hour. With these kind of dew points, it could be a potential issue if a fire were to break out. So earlier we had a fire weather watch. Now we're not covered in that, but the situation remains the same. Again, it's really isolated out in the deeper interior valleys, but still extremely dry air. And then after that, we turn the corner. We have to talk a little bit about rainfall potential. There's this subtropical surge coming in on Thursday morning. But again, keep in mind, we've just seen a lot of offshore really dry air. I don't think much of that one. I also don't think much of this one Friday night into Saturday. It's a cold front that sweeps across the area. I'd say that's under 1/10 of an inch of rain, but models are starting to like what's happening Sunday into Monday. A strong, vigorous, upper air supported low with some moisture to work with. And if this system were to materialize, we could see up to an inch of rain. Our model doesn't like that much, going from 1/4 of an inch, maybe up to 3/4 of an inch. But the National Weather Service right now is saying 1/2 inch to 1 inch should be possible with the system, so we'll be watching that very carefully. We need the rain. We're basically between 1 inch and 4 inches behind. So temperatures as we get into Wednesday, upper 60s and some lower 70s returning for a few spots. North Coast temperatures lower 60s. Let's move a little bit further down, taking a look at the 5 cities area. Mid 60s, not bad. Cooler beaches in the lower 60s. Santa Ynez Valley, 70s. Cuyama, 64, 66 Carpinteria. Again, the extended forecast is interesting. Let's take a look at that. You can see those overnight lows in the interior valleys right around freezing. The daytime highs lower 60s. Again, the Monday rainfall is in all of the forecasts right now, and we're going to be watching that very, very carefully. Richard.